Hello guys, in this simple and easy video, we will learn how to fix .NET 3.05 Windows 11 installation error, and you will find this error 0x8024420C. So just follow some easy steps. Firstly guys, you have to click on start. Now here type command prompt or CMD. Best match, you will see command prompt, right click and select as administrator. Now here guys, you have to type two commands one by one. First one, copy and paste. I will give in description, so copy and paste here, then press enter. Now here guys, you will see the operation completed successfully. Now copy and paste second command. Now press enter. Now again wait till this process will complete. Now guys, once you complete this successfully, close and restart. So once you restart, hopefully guys, this method will work and you can resolve problem 0x8024420C. So thanks for watching guys. Please comment this method work for you or not.